Hey everyone, SuperTal3 here. Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're going to do a little bit of a Christmas unboxing, so to speak. I have some really cool gear that I got for Christmas from my wonderful parents, and I'm also going to show you some other gear that I bought myself a while back that I just didn't make a video about to kind of upgrade my setup and maybe throw a little bit of B-roll in from my old setup, my original one, the way I had it. And let me tell you, it was not that cool. So yeah, now it's a whole lot better, and it just got better today with some new gear. So let's go ahead and unbox. Here we have the Razer Base Station Chroma. So I'm gonna go ahead and open it up. And right here you can see the base. And then we have what looks like the part right there. Go ahead and move my light over just a bit to brighten things up. So I'll lift that out. The cable looks like it's in here, nice braided cable per Razer's usual. Just gonna go ahead and say I know I'm giving Razer a very good review on all their stuff, and that's because I just love them. Their stuff is very high quality, plus just as a brand, I was gonna go ahead and say they're like my favorite brand. One really nice thing I see that they've been doing lately is with their USB, they have this little cover, which is super cool, especially when you're taking it places, so it doesn't get anything inside the USB. So, go ahead and awesome, like matte texture with the etched Razer logo in there. Get a little of the dirt and dust off of it. It was a little dusty for some reason. Oh no. Anyway, there we go. So I'll set that down. Oh yeah, and by the way, it also has a 3 USB, looks like 2.0 ports. So it's a USB hub, which is nice. I think it's USB 3. I don't know. But it does have Razer Chroma lighting, so it can sync with my other gear that I got earlier, all except for my mouse, which is an old Razer Death Adder. So here we go, the nice matte black, sort of gunmetal gray, I guess, color metal stand. I don't know what these little things are, but anyway. So go ahead and we will, I think that's about all that we have in the box. Okay, so we have a little packet with some information inside. I'll get this out of the way. You can probably tell right now that I got a new mouse pad because my other one was blue, if you've seen it before. So we'll go ahead and snap this into place like so. Let's see, there we go. There you have it, our wonderful Razer headset. Now we'll open this up, and per the usual, we have some nice Razer stickers, some Razer Synapse 3 beta guide, so it's compatible with the 3, which pretty much is not in beta anymore. It's awesome. There we go, one-time assembly, not intended to unassemble or disassemble the thing. And then it has a little bit of information. I'm guessing that it does not, okay, it's 3.0, that's good. I'm guessing that it is not, that it does not charge your headset while it's hanging on there yet. It doesn't. So I don't know what those little pads were for. But anyway, looks really nice. It has a non-slip rubber base, so it shouldn't be slipping. So now I will go ahead and get this thing plugged up. It's probably going to go a little bit further back over here for my headstand. The USB cable should be long enough. Not 100% sure that it'll reach that far. So yeah, I'll get back to you in just a second. Alright, and I'm back. I had to like remanage all my cables because they got really bad. And so yeah, now we are unboxing the Razer Kiyo webcam. This is going to be really nice, so I'll be able to use it in my videos. And we have a letter on some sort of thin paper from the CEO, Min Liang Tan. Probably completely butchered his name, but anyways, I already read that letter. Here's a packet with some instructions, I presume. So There we go. Yep, little layout, etc. Oh yay, and some more. Ooh, this is cool. So this time, instead of being reflective, they are green. Sweet. I have tons of Razer stickers now. I even have them on my laptop and stuff. And just all over the place. Alright, so we'll go ahead and we will pull out this webcam. Well, first take the thing off the light. This is a good weight for webcam. Check, make sure there's not anything left in the box. I really like Razer's unboxing experience. They're really good. All their products are awesome, and their unboxing is really good. Okay, so this looks like how it kind of clips on. You have your adjustable webcam like that, and the light, you can turn it on and off. Man, it's gonna be wonderful. Alright, so I'm gonna go get this set up, and then I'll kind of give you a little tour of my setup once I have it plugged in. Boom, there you go. So you see the cool lighting around there, and I can control it with my software, Synapse software, which is really nice. Anyway, I'm gonna go ahead and set the webcam up, and then I will get back to you guys. So as you can see here, I have my webcam working, and it's right up there. Pretty good webcam. I really like how it is. I mean, yeah, it makes me look really pale. I'm not this pale in real life, but I really like how it eliminates my face and everything. It just keeps it really. It helps me be a lot more well illuminated. Now I can cut it off like that, and as you see, it still is very, very good quality compared to my other webcam. Hey guys, so I hope you enjoyed this video of my new setup that I just got finished up sort of today. This is how far it's come since I first started purchasing I got the keyboard and the mouse pad back in November, right after Black Friday, and then I got the headphone stand and kind of webcam just today actually. So yeah, this is how far my setup has come. Let me know if you liked it. If you like these kind of videos, I'm going to be coming out with another cert review very soon, so stay tuned for that. Thank you for watching. This is Super Tau 3 signing out.